Welcome to Professor Diaries, where we transform the traditional learning experience into something extraordinary. Here, knowledge is not a burden. It is an exciting adventure waiting to be unveiled. We believe that education should ignite curiosity and inspire creativity in every student, parent, and teacher. At Professor Diaries, we understand the challenges students face when grappling with complex subjects, especially in the sciences. That is why we have meticulously designed our platform to cater to the CBSE biology syllabus. Our engaging video lessons bring the curriculum to life, ensuring that learning is both enjoyable and effective. With vivid visuals and relatable examples, students can explore the intricacies of biology in a way that resonates with them. Imagine diving into the wonders of cellular biology, where intricate processes are illustrated through beautiful animations. Picture understanding genetics through interactive scenarios that encourage questions and excitement. This is the essence of Professor Diaries, to create an immersive learning journey where students can connect the dots effortlessly. The clarity of our explanations, combined with frequent reinforcement, empowers learners to grasp even the most challenging concepts with ease. For parents, our platform offers a unique opportunity to be more involved in their children's education. By providing insights into what their kids are learning, parents can foster an environment of open communication and support. Our resources equip parents with the tools necessary to assist with homework and discussions, making them active participants in their children's academic growth. Teachers, too, will find tremendous value in Professor Diaries. Our comprehensive lesson plans and teaching strategies are designed to enhance classroom engagement. Whether it's through videos, quizzes, or interactive discussions, educators can use our content to create a more dynamic learning atmosphere. By embracing innovative teaching methods, they can inspire their students to cultivate a genuine love for science. In a world where information is abundant but understanding can be elusive, Professor Diaries stands out as a beacon of clarity. We are dedicated to simplifying learning, fostering confidence, and nurturing a passion for knowledge in every student. To stay connected with us and embrace this easy learning journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the icon to ensure you never miss an enlightening lesson. Join us as we reshape the future of education, one video at a time. Mega Introduction: The Journey of Studying Class 6. Biology. What is biology? Why do we study it? Biology is the science of life. It helps us understand how living things function, grow, and interact with their environment. Every human, animal, plant, and microorganism plays a role in making the Earth a balanced and livable place. Why do we study biology? Because it answers the most important questions about life. What makes us alive? How do our bodies work? How do plants and animals survive in different environments? Why do we need food, water, and air? How do diseases spread and how can we prevent them? How can we take care of the planet and its resources? Biology is everywhere. From the air we breathe to the food we eat, from the way our hearts beat to the way forests grow. Everything follows biological principles. Fun fact: there are more living cells in one human body than there are stars in the Milky Way. Why is Class 6 biology important? Class 6 biology is the foundation of understanding life sciences. It introduces students to key concepts that will help them explore more complex biological studies in higher classes. What will students learn in Class 6 biology? The basics of life and living things. What makes something alive? How the human body works, from breathing to digestion, circulation to the brain. How plants and animals survive. Why do trees grow? How do birds fly? How to stay healthy. Nutrition, exercise, hygiene, and disease prevention. How nature functions, ecosystems, the environment, and waste management. Fun fact: did you know that your body has about 37 trillion cells all working together to keep you alive? What topics will we explore? The wonder of life. Introduction to biology. What is life? What makes something alive? I to the classification of living things. How do we group animals, plants, and microorganisms? 3. The cell, the building block of life. What are cells and why are they important? 4. Heredity genes. Why do children look like their parents? 5. The human body systems. How do our heart, brain, lungs, and bones work together? 6. How do diseases spread? What makes us sick, and how can we prevent illnesses? 7. Nutrition digestion. Why do we eat food, and how does our body use it? 8. Health hygiene. How can we take care of ourselves and avoid diseases? 9. Our environment ecosystems. How do living things interact with nature? Air, water, and soil. Why are these natural resources essential for life? 11. Waste management. How to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Fun fact: a single tree provides enough oxygen for 4 people to breathe for a year. How will this knowledge help students? In their daily lives, help students understand how their body functions. Encourages healthy habits like eating well, exercising, and staying clean. Explains how germs and diseases spread, helping them stay safe. For society, the environment helps students appreciate and protect nature. Teaches them about pollution and conservation. Encourages responsible behavior, like saving water and reducing waste. For their future careers, builds curiosity in medicine, health, environmental science, and biotechnology. Prepares students for advanced studies in biology, chemistry, and physics. Encourages scientific thinking, problem-solving, and creativity. Fun fact: scientists have discovered over 7 million species, but millions more are yet to be found. What is the goal of Class 6 biology? By the end of this course, students will understand how life functions, from tiny cells to large ecosystems. Recognize how the human body works and how to take care of it. Learn the importance of food, water, air, and environmental conservation. Develop habits that promote personal health and hygiene. Gain awareness about pollution, waste management, and how to protect nature. Final thought: biology is not just about memorizing facts. It's about understanding life itself. When students study biology, they learn to appreciate the beauty of nature, the wonders of the human body, and the importance of keeping our planet safe for future generations. Every living thing on Earth is connected. Understanding biology means understanding life, and with that knowledge, we can create a better future. Introduction to biology, the foundation of life. Before we dive into Class 6 topics, it's crucial to first establish the foundation of biology: what it is, why it is studied, and how it connects to everything in life, including career paths, real-world applications, and its relation to other subjects. Chapter 1. Why study biology? The science of life. Understanding biology, the study of life. Biology is the science that helps us understand life, how it begins, how it grows, how it functions, and even how it ends. Everything we see around us, plants, animals, microorganisms, and even our own bodies, functions based on biological principles. What does the word biology mean? The word biology comes from 2 Greek words: bios, vios, meaning life; logos, meaning study. So, biology, the study of life. It helps us answer some of the biggest questions. What makes something alive? Why do we age and die? Can we extend life using science? How do diseases occur, and how can they be prevented? The history evolution of biology has been studied for thousands of years. Some of the greatest minds in history contributed to it. Aristotle, 384–322 BCE, the father of biology, who classified living organisms. Hippocrates, 460–370 BCE, the father of medicine, who studied diseases scientifically. Charles Darwin, 1809–1882, proposed the theory of evolution by natural selection. Gregor Mendel, 1822–1884, discovered the basic principles of genetics. Louis Pasteur, 1822–1895, discovered microbes and vaccines. James Watson, Francis Crick, 1953, discovered the structure of DNA. All these discoveries helped shape the world and improved medicine, agriculture, and technology. Why is biology important? Biology is not just a subject. It is the key to understanding life. It helps us in medicine, healthcare, understanding diseases, creating vaccines, and finding cures. Agriculture, food production, improving crops, protecting food, and fighting plant diseases. Environment conservation, saving species from extinction and protecting the planet. Biotechnology genetics, creating artificial organs, cloning and modifying genes. Forensic science, solving crimes using DNA and biological evidence. Example: without biology, we wouldn't have antibiotics, vaccines, or even the ability to transplant organs. How is biology connected to other subjects? Biology is not an isolated subject. It is connected to many other fields. Biology plus chemistry, understanding how molecules and chemicals function in living organisms. Biology plus physics, understanding how the body moves, energy transfer, and forces in nature. Biology plus mathematics, calculating genetic probabilities, measuring doses in medicine. Biology plus computer science, DNA analysis, bioinformatics, AI in healthcare. Biology plus geography, understanding ecosystems, environmental impact, and climate change. Example: medical imaging, like X-rays, MRI scans, uses physics biology together to see inside the human body. The connection between life-death. Life and death are two sides of the same coin, and biology helps us understand both. How does life begin? Reproduction development. What keeps life going? Nutrition, respiration, circulation, and growth. Why does life end? Aging, diseases, and biological death. Can we delay death? Medicine, life support systems, and genetics. Example: scientists are researching how to slow aging and even find ways to extend human lifespan. Career opportunities in biology. If you love biology, here are some careers you can pursue. Doctor, surgeon, treat diseases and perform life-saving surgeries. Biotechnologist, create medicines and genetic modifications. Environmental scientist, work to save nature and wildlife. Forensic scientist, solve crimes using DNA and biology. Genetic engineer, modify genes to improve life. Pharmacist, develop and test new medicines. Agricultural scientist, improve food production and plant health. Example: without biologists, we wouldn't have discovered insulin to treat diabetes or developed vaccines to stop deadly diseases. Summary: why biology matters. Biology is the study of life and how living things function. It connects with medicine, environment, technology, and other sciences. It explains how life begins, grows, and ends. It helps solve real-world problems like diseases and climate change. It offers diverse career opportunities in science, medicine, and technology. Class 6 Biology, Chapter 2, The Wonder of Life. It was a sunny morning, and Mrs. Sharma walked into the classroom with an exciting question on the board. What makes something alive? Mira looked at Arav and Rohan. That's easy. If something moves, it's alive. Rohan thought for a moment. But plants don't move and they are alive. Arav added. And fire moves, but it isn't alive. Mrs. Sharma clapped. Great thinking. Today, we'll learn what life really is and why living things are so special. What is life? Life is the ability to grow, respond, reproduce, and survive. Living things are different from non-living things because they grow. Plants grow taller, animals grow bigger. Breathe. Humans, animals, and even plants take in gases. Move. Animals walk, birds fly, and even plants bend towards sunlight. Reproduce. New life comes from existing life. Respond. Touch a hot pan and you'll pull your hand away. Need energy. Food gives all living things energy. Example: a seed grows into a tree, but a stone never grows. So, Mrs. Sharma asked, can you name something that is not alive? Rocks, Mira shouted. Water, added Arav. Fire, said Rohan. Exactly. Fire moves, but it doesn't grow, reproduce, or need food. So, it's not alive. How do we classify living things? Now that we know what life is, let's see how we group different living things, Mrs. Sharma said. All living things are divided into 5 main groups: kingdoms. 1 animals, humans, birds, insects, lions. 2 plants, trees, flowers, grass. 3 fungi, mushrooms, mold. 4 protists, tiny organisms like amoeba. Bacteria, microscopic organisms that can be good or bad. Fun fact, did you know that there are more bacteria inside your body than human cells? How are living things similar? Characteristics of life. They all need energy. Animals eat, plants make food through photosynthesis. They all grow, from babies to adults, from seeds to trees. They all respond to their environment. A sunflower turns toward the sun. They all reproduce. Animals have babies, plants grow seeds. They all adapt. Polar bears have thick fur for the cold. Example: a cactus stores water because it lives in the desert. What makes up a living thing? Anatomy structure. All living things are made up of tiny building blocks called cells. A cell is the smallest unit of life. 1. Some living things, like bacteria, have only one cell, unicellular. 2 others, like humans, animals, and plants, have millions of cells, multicellular. Fun fact: your body has 37.2 trillion cells working together. A small but mighty cell. Mrs. Sharma showed the class a picture of a cell. It looks like a jelly bean. Rohan laughed. Yes! And just like a house has different rooms for different functions, a cell has different parts. Main parts of a cell. Cell membrane. Like a security gate, it controls what enters and exits. Nucleus. The brain of the cell that controls everything. Cytoplasm, a jelly-like fluid where all activities happen. Example: if your school was a cell, the principal would be the nucleus, the gates would be the cell membrane, and the classrooms would be the cytoplasm. Processes, mechanisms of life. 1. How do living things grow? Cells divide to make new cells. This is how a baby grows into an adult, and a seed grows into a tree. 2. How do living things get energy? Plants use photosynthesis to make food. Animals eat plants or other animals for energy. 3. How do living things reproduce? Some lay eggs, birds, reptiles. Some give birth, humans, mammals. Some reproduce from seeds, plants. Fun fact: a starfish can regrow its arm if it gets cut off. Examples: applications in daily life. Medicine. Understanding cells helps scientists cure diseases. Farming. Farmers grow plants by studying how they grow. Food industry. Bacteria help make cheese and yogurt. Technology. Scientists use bacteria to clean up oil spills. Example: the COVID-19 vaccine was created by studying how viruses and cells work. What's next? Arav looked amazed. So everything from the food I eat to the air I breathe is connected to biology? Yes. Mrs. Sharma nodded. And now that we know what life is, we'll explore how we classify living things. Wow. I never knew a single cell could be so important, Mira said. Yes. And in the next lesson, we will classify all living things into groups. Join us on this journey of knowledge, wisdom, and discovery, where learning knows no limits and ignites the soul. Stay curious, stay inspired. If you found value in this, like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to Professor Diaries. Hit the icon for the latest updates and help spread this wisdom to others. This is Professor Diaries, signing off. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.